Shown below is a parallelogram. Work out the area of the parallelogram. State the units of your answer. I'm just going to show you how we get the formula for the area of a parallelogram. If I just chop this parallelogram here, and what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take this here and I'm going to pop it over there. So I've got rid of it from over here and I've moved it over to here. And you can see that what we've got is a rectangle. And we know what the area for a rectangle is. It's base times the height. So that's 3 times 8, which is 24, and it's centimetres times centimetres, so centimetres squared, which is the units for area. So let's just go back to our parallelogram and see what we did. Okay, so all we did was base times height, but it's really important that we don't do this height. In fact, I never want you to call a slanted height height. Whenever we're looking at shape, this height here always refers to the perpendicular height. And the perpendicular height means the one which is at right angles. So you can see here, there's the right angle. So there's my base, there's my perpendicular height, 8 times 3. Done.